Hey guys, so I have this brand new project. I have installed the FSI plugin content folder. Let's check out the map. So if I play, I should have everything working. There you go, everything working, right? I also have added the Paragon Grux character. Is in the Epic marketplace for free. You can download it. So I'm going to show you how to integrate this with the FSI plugin. Okay, so I have this character. So what I'm going to go to the FSA content. I'm going to duplicate the aggressive character. Go to examples, and we have this animal AI aggressive, right? All right. So duplicate that, and I'm going to change it to Grux. Put this in the Paragon Grux folder because it's easier to find it, right? Every new file that I created, I'll put them here. So I have that now. Let's replace the character mesh. So if I go here, and this is what we have. Let's open the NMBP zombie, because let's open this so that we know we have it open. So we need to duplicate that. Now let's type in Grux. We have something show up. Is it a skeleton mesh? All right, this is the character that we're going to use, right? We are going to change a couple of things. The capsule, let's say 100, then 30. Yeah, so that looks fine. If I drag it outside to make sure it's touching the floor, right? That looks fine. We are going to create the animation now. So let's see what's in the animation. So we have NMBP zombie. In the event graph, we have nothing since we are inheriting from NPC anim instance. And the only thing we have in the anim graph, we have the death animations and this variable. These are all in the NPC anim instance class. In here we have this land space. That's pretty much it. Let's go to the folder. Blueprint, animation, anim blueprint, Grux. That's the one. BP Grux. Alright, so open that. Go to class settings, change it to NPC anim instance. Okay. Alright. So we don't need this. And in the anim graph, we can copy this. Make sure the parent is NPC anim instance, otherwise these variables they don't exist. So if I paste it here, everything should work as it is. Let's see what's wrong with this. Let's get an animation from this character. Paragon Grux character animation. Let's drag any animation and place it here. Just gonna clear the sequence and do bind. So one more thing, we have to create this. So let's open this, and this is a blend space. All right, so if we can go, we can close the NMBP zombie. So we can go to here, and we can say blend space. I think it's 1D BS Grux moves. All right. So what do you have? We have speed 0 to 500 and 6. Speed 0 to, let's do 700. Let's say we want to fast, and we can change this to 4. Idle goes to 0. Oh, it's wrong. Let me see. 4. So we put idle, and we put that into 200. And this is where you want to put walk. Since there's no walk, we open this. If I duplicate this, open. Let's see if I can slow it down. Like, let's do 0.5. So, and then we can use this All right, so put it on here. Remove that. So uncheck snap to grid, and at 200 put that work. All right, let's close this. We can use this in our Grux animation. So drag this and put him here. All right, so we are done with NMVP, and we can place it here now. There you go. We can close all the other windows. The left trace can go to left hand, add socket, right? And we're going to name it, make sure the name is right, left start point. All right, now we can duplicate this. We can copy silicon sockets and paste it here, and this is going to be left endpoint. All right, there you go. So place the start point somewhere at the grip where the weapon started, from here, right? And the end is going to go up to this location. There you go. So you can just simply drag and place it at the tip of the weapon. Right, say tail, so it's going to create a trace from here to this. So we're going to copy these two, copy selected, and go to hand right hand, paste sockets to selected bone. We're going to rename it this to from left right. All right, so this is the starting point. So you can use the same variable that I'm using. You could get this name from here. Let me show it to you. If you type in left arm and right arm, left arm, if you go there, so this is where the name, left start point, left end point. So we'll be using that in the animations. And then the right hand, you have right start point and right end point. The animations are in the class defaults. So we're going to change the idle animations. So idle would be okay. So we have idle animation. You can have multiple of them. Then we have death animations. So we have death. We have two of them. So you can add that. So if you search for death, you'll see there 1, 2. All right. Now finally, the attack animations. This has to be montage. All right. Now if I open this, you will see the deal damage notifier state. Right. If it's right hand, you're going to use the right. If it's left hand, you're going to use the left. So if I search for attack, this one, we can do is we can remove this, whatever is that. First thing we can add is, let's add a sound, play sound, right? And the sound, we can search for Grux. There you go. This one. Alright, so that's good enough. And then we're going to add another notify track and another one, two of them. Okay, put this on the first one. Then we're going to go to add notify state, deal damage left arm, right? And we're going to add deal damage right arm, right? So now we have to see the let's put this here so that it's distracting. So we have the left arm swinging first, right? Then right arm. Left start here. So this is right. This is left. Left start here. And it ends here. Let's say it ends there, right? And the right one start here, let's say, and ends there. All right. And then we have the sound happens when that. Let's see, and make sure the this uses the upper slot, because you will see a lot of other stuff, but this is the one that we're using. Now we should be able to edit here. You also want to change this attack range, since it's a big guy. You want to put him somewhere like 100 or 150, should be fine. So I have a sound that I'm going to add. Okay, so I can create a cue for this, and then add animation of, let's say, any one should be fine. So I'm going to add this when my character gets hit. So he's here, this should be turned into a variable in the future, but yeah, so when you get hit, you can just add a sound here. Let's see if it works. So if you do duration, and for the right arm, and let's see if the trace shows up. There you go, the trace. You can see the trace, right? And when I get hit, it's going to make the sound right there. See the trace is there? There you go. Nice trace. Alright, so we made one mistake. If I go to the animation, right? Animation blueprint of this. Make sure the death animation sequence that we have, this is not looping. Otherwise, it's going to keep playing the death animations. Make sure this is not looping. Now, there you go. See, the trace looks nice, and it's very efficient as well, because so there's a chance that you can get double hit because you have two arms, right? And each arm is making their own trace. There you go. If you have any question, join our Discord server. You can ask me there. Have fun.